Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create discounts on Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. In your home menu, click on commerce and click on discounts and click on this plus icon and fill up all this information. Give here your discount name. This name is show to customers at checkout. And now select trigger. You can select discount code or you can select automatic discount. So I'm selecting here discount code and give here the discount code. And select here promotion. You can select percent off, amount off, or free shipping. So I'm going to selecting here amount off, giving it $20. Applies to, you can select any order. Orders over, then you can select a rate. You can select single product, or you can select member area products by category. So I'm going to selecting here orders over $100. So if someone order over $100, they will get an 20% discount using this discount code SALE20. And give here limit total users. You can select unlimited or limited users. If you select limited users, then here you will need to put the limited users amount. Customer limit 1 per customer. Discount can be used once per email address. You can enable or disable this option. And limit subscription discounts, you can set here exclude subscription products or first payment or all payments. And now give here the date and time to start the discount code, and you can add the expiry date of the discount code and then click on save. So here you can say I've successfully created a discount on Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.